Hi all. So this is just another video which I'm recording around AI. So Google has a AI agent that is Google Stitch. Now, just like that, so many parallel tools are coming, but I have a requirement where I am going to create a mockup. Whenever we work on the project, we get mockup in Figma or Adobe. Right? Previously, we had two major players, Figma and Adobe. There we used to get the mockup, and then as per the mockup, we used to design our pages. Right? So my friend has a requirement. He has a business where he has schools, maybe school like nursery, LKG, UKG. So in a particular city, he have three to I think four branches. Okay, so he have four branches. Currently, the fees tracking, LKG they have I think 35 or something like that fees. So nursery, LKG, UKG they have different fees. So currently, what is happening? They are managing all the fees by some Excel. Now they want an application. By that, they will be able to manage everything, and as a business owner he will be able to see like how many money is received for this particular branch, what is pending and whatnot. So at a single place he get to see everything every day, how much parents have submitted monies, everything he can get to see. So for that he wants an application, but before directly jumping onto the application we want a Figma, right? How that application is going to look. So once Figma is finalized, then we start the actual work. When we work with the live application also, same thing happen. Before work gets started, your Figma get approved, then you start on the UI part, right? So Google Switch. Now let's open it. I have already logged in with this, so if not, just log in with that. Okay. Now what you want to do? It's a simple chat box, right? So if you have some images also ready, you can provide that also. What you need? Do you need a website, web mockup, or the mobile also, right? Because mobile app also there, so you can select the mode key for the mockup. What you want to create? What is that for? A mobile app or a web? So I'm going to need it for the mobile app. So some models are there, right? Thinking model, redesign, ideate, some models are there. So this is the free one, what we are going to go with. Design.md. Now, what I have done, I have created a proper prompt. Whenever we talk about the prompt should have a role, context, task, output, example. So I have created a proper prompt. Let me show you that. So role, expert UI UX designer, product architect specializing SaaS design, education management system. You are designing a mobile. We don't need mobile, just a web application for a nursery school app manages 3 4 branches. The primary goal is to provide a clean user-friendly interface for tracking student enrollment, managing fees, and design must be intuitive enough that non-technical staff should be easily use it. Generate a comprehensive layout for the free dashboard and the Google Stitch. Okay, simplicity and some rules. Key, what should be there? Let me check if mobile thing is not there. No. Yes. Okay. Dashboard, user flow. Let me add 6, 7. User flow dashboard, total count, component list of the essential element like branch, drop down, phase measure. Okay, that is already there. This is not needed. So fifth point will be payment section. Three-step path, design to see all payment received, and a form also. And I might need some reports also. So here we will talk it about reports. These are the screens what I'm going to need. Reports where I can track all pending fees. Okay. Now this is my prompt. So let's copy this prompt and we will put it over here. Okay. Let's see. Now it will take proper time. We have to give it that time. So, previously people used to design pages with Figma and Adobe, but now we need a specific person also who can know Figma and who can know Adobe. But now anyone can do it, right? You might have heard the word forward deploy engineer or vibe coding. So these are the various tools which will help you to complete a whole application. You are the person who is going to communicate with the client, get the requirement, come up with some mock-up and everything. Client will approve. Then you will have one or two developer, or you also, with the help of, complete that whole application, right? So now it is generating the screen. Why I'm not able to drag and drop? I'm not sure. It is generating. So here you can see. Let's see. It is generating properly dashboard and everything, one by one thing. See the animation also. So let's say this will be your dashboard where you will show some statistic, enrollment by grade, recent payment, fees collection status. Here you can have some graph or something. Let's see what it create. Then this is your payment screen. See, donut chart it has created. Let let's give it some time to complete. Okay, so I think it has completed. Now let's click on it. Let's click on connect with the preview mode. Okay, so this is your dashboard page. Here you will have a sidebar for navigation, payment, and all these things, right? Like this. Will be your dashboard screen. Let's go back. Second, preview, desktop mode, mobile mode also. You can see the same. We said ki mobile, but it has created a responsive design also. Let's zoom a little bit. I forgot like how do we navigate top and down? Okay, yeah. And just a minute, I am checking. Yeah, if you click on the ship, you get to scroll horizontally, and with control, zoom, and with top arrow, just the normal scroll. So here you can see the receipt window. This will be your receipt page where you will add one by one receipt. Okay, let's try the next pending fees report. I ask it to create a pending fees report. So you got a Figma. Okay, now again, based on the same chat, what you need, you can keep on going and it will create a proper Figma design also. Now let's check the export. So again, this is just an example what I have given you. Key 3 pages we ask it, it has created our 3 pages. Let me delete this. Okay, so these are the 3 screens what we have. Let's say you want to export it. Let me select this screen. How do you need it? You can export a brief also, clip to the keyboard, bold, Nativefly, Figma. You can export this and it will the same design which will export in it will open it into Figma, your Figma also. MCP. Let's say you have some AI, like Figma MCP. Okay, so you can create MCP and by any AI agent, it will connect to the MCP and whatever the design specification you have, it will create the exact design if you export it as MCP. Okay, so these are the various ways are there how you can export it also. Let me, Google AI Studio. It will navigate to the Google AI Studio and it will help you to create the exact design also. Lovable, bold, right? Project brief. It will help you to create a MD file also, I guess. Okay. Let's try with built with AI Studio. I'm yet to explore Google AI Studio, but let's see. Yes, last time I tried it, but it was giving error. It has added all the 3 screen. Now we will ask it to create this design with HTML and CSS. And we will say key, let's use Bootstrap also. So provide, I need just the static HTML. HTML files. Okay, build. I don't know with the free it will create or not, but let's see. So we created, let's say you have a business requirement. Let's say you have a new client comes in. He provided some business requirement. According to that, you will create a Figma, some prototype. Yeah, this is going to be your application look like. Then once you finalize, then you start on you don't directly start on the development. Na? First, you need to verify it, right? So these are the tools what you can use for your businesses. Again, as an individual developer, also it's good to have this knowledge ki how much AI is capable right now. Okay. So we created Figma, and by using Google AI Studio only, we are asking it to create the design as per its whatever the prototype we have created. Let's see it, how much time it will create. It is asking us to select this design. Okay. Let's select this. It is creating TypeScript project only. Let's see what it will create. Let's give it some time. Mock data it has created. Some data also it has added. Export. Mhm. Okay, React.js project. Even though I ask it to create plain HTML, but it will create the React.js project only. So I'm not sure. Like in Bolt, we had that problem that by default, the default editor was the React.js. Ultimately, we have to specify I need HTML only, then it used to create it. Otherwise, if you just provide a normal prompt, you will get it in the React.js project. But same problem, we have it over here also. Let it complete. At least we will see something. We can specify the Angular also, React.js, Vue.js, whatever, then it will select that. We didn't specify anything, so by default, React might be their editor. Let's see. Once it is done, we will be able to check the preview. So one by one file, it is editing. You can see we got a React.js project with TypeScript, model for payment. Let's wait for some time. See some states and everything it is creating. Your form, then your HTML. Is it done? Still it is working. What it is currently working. Whenever you write the prompt, immediately instead of just simply loader, you get to know okay, what is going on. This in a AI term, we call it as a stream data. So you are getting stream. Yeah, what is happening? Instead of simply a loader, you are getting stream from the API. What is currently it is doing. So parallel progress, you get to know. Let's wait. So I think it is running now. Build also, if everything is working fine. If something is error, again, it will fix it by reading the error and all. Let's give it some time. I think the code is properly run. What it is doing again? Okay, because we selected a theme, so according to that, it is doing some changes. Let's give it some time. HTML also it has provided. So if you can see this HTML file is there. The code is available over here. If I copy this till that this is going on, let's go it over here and let me create a simple, wait, let me open another page, video templates, demo.html. Let's try to run this. So simple HTML page also it has given so that we can extract the CSS, HTML and CSS and we can use it, right? So you can see it has provided us a normal HTML page also. Okay. New payment. I don't think everything is working, but at least dashboard page it has given. Okay. Let's check how much it is remaining. So it is doing some changes as per the uh, design what we selected. So it is doing some changes, applying theme forest glass. As per theme, it is creating some again things. Let's wait for some time so that we can actually see the working application. All you need is the API. Again, you can use another AI tool, get the API, post it onto somewhere, integration also it will do. So within one day, you have a proper production level application ready, right? You might have seen so many LinkedIn posts where people are sharing posts, ki, yeah, using all the AI tool, I have created this application and that. But some people will try to say them ki, yeah, can you create production level application? Can it handle? Not every application need that much concurrent user, na? So many applications there where limited users are going to use it. Obviously, AI can do that. That is their problem. They don't want to accept the reality that AI can create that many production level application also. Not every application is Facebook. Not every application is Uber or Ola, na? You don't need 1,000 or 10,000 users are using your application correctly. Even AI can do that also, but obviously you need a person who can guide it also. But normal, so many applications are there which are, you know, client centric. Some users are going to use it for their business. AI can do that. You can give it a try. Just I'm just showing an example. You can also try it somewhere. Let's wait again. I'm not sure with the free email how many tokens it has, but it is doing. I'm regretting why I selected that for his theme, frosted glass theme. It is doing a revamp in every component because as per the theme what we selected, it will do the changes also. Not sure where I can see the tokens also. Setting version. I'm not able to see tokens. That where are the tokens? Let it complete. Yes, so finally it's ready. Now let me try to open it in a new window. How do we do that? Full screen. I'm not sure like how do I open it in a new tab? Let's do the full screen. So here you can see what we said. Okay, let's say you have a business where a businessman is there, he has school and he want an application where he can manage all the fees and he can track everything. So see, a very nice UI it has created according to the what prototype we have given by using Google Stitch. See, complete application is ready. Now let's say another AI agent, let's say Codex, Copilot, or even Claude, you use it to create, even if you provide this also, now it will create the DB and it will write the APIs also. You just have to deploy it and you have to provide the URL. Not a single line of code you have to write. Trust me. Got it? So complete application you can see properly working. Add student. You see model pop-up is there. Let's say reports, different types of reports are there. Select the branch and you will get the report. Okay. It is allowing you to download the HTML also. Let's say you have an Angular application, so you can use it and copy paste over there. Right? Setting. See, some settings also it has provided. New payment. Select the enrollment, put the amount, date, how we have received it, provide the detail. That's it. So complete application you have got it. Okay. So many crazy things are there happening. If you are not aware of it, you might have to start looking for it. Even no one will ask you, ki, yeah, work AI deployment or something. No one is asking you, but be sure ki how much AI is capable right now. What other tools are there? Which tools can do what? Ultimately, the goal is to speed up our development speed. So these are the tools are helpful for that. Okay. So from a business idea, we have got the mockup and prototype, and because of that mockup and prototype, we got a complete React.js application ready. Now you have to create an API and you just integrate it. You got an application, purchase a domain, deploy it. That's it. You have deployed your production level application. Got it? So I hope video was helpful to you. If you like the video, please do subscribe, add some comments so that I can know how many people are watching, what are your queries, what are your thoughts. In video description, you will be finding a link of my LinkedIn profile. You can connect with me on that, or a WhatsApp group is also there. You can connect with me that also. Thank you. That's it. Thanks for watching.